Hi, this is Peter Grayson with the Core Tech team. This is a demo archive that we're going to use to show off some of the characteristics and features of our new MP4 transcoding. So right now, you're just getting my voice, and pretty soon here, I'm going to turn on my video. Hello. Now you should be able to see my video. So this shows how the transcoded archive switches between some sort of branding image and the video that was happening live in the archive. And if I were to temporarily disable my video, as I did just now, then we will see the branding image come back into play. The whole while my voice is still going strong, and then let's see. If we turn the video back on, here I am, and that's how video going on and off in the archive shows up in the MP4 file. So next, I want to show off some characteristics of the app share. So what I'm going to do here is keep the video going, and I'm going to initiate an application sharing session. Okay. So while we're waiting for the app share to start, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a screen area as my share, and then within that screen area, I'm going to put a web browser pointing to a Google Docs spreadsheet. And so this is going to show off what a spreadsheet might look like in a transcoded MP4. So what I'm going to do is just make a little spreadsheet here. In column A, I'm going to type just a header for the column. I'm going to say color. And then over here, in column B, I'm going to type in another header called awesomeness. And so under color, we're going to type in a couple colors: orange, black, brown, green, and magenta. And then we're going to rate these on a scale of 1 to 10 in terms of their awesomeness. So in this case, orange is a 5, black is a 10, brown is a 9, green is a 2, and magenta, of course, is a 4. So, we've done that. If I can highlight column B, and then I'm just going to go ahead and sort these guys based on their awesomeness, and we can see that green is the least awesome. So that gives us some idea of what it would look like if a user was using a spreadsheet in the Google Doc context. So I guess another couple things I can do here is I can click on the File menu, and I could say Close, for example. And then we see a dialog pop up here. Do I want to navigate away from this page? Yes, I do. And so there we can see that the browser window went away. So next, I want to show some features or behavior of when the app share changes size. So let me first put a web page back on screen. New window here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to resize the window. I'm going to go to wimba.com. So here we can see that the Wimba web page mostly shows up in the window. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to stretch the app share to be as wide as the browser window. So this is probably approaching a 2-to-1 aspect ratio. What we can see here is that the image is, or we can see how the image is scaled in the archive. So that's with a wide aspect ratio. And now what I will do is I will change it so we use a very skinny aspect ratio or a tall aspect ratio with the app share. And there we can see the results of that. And next I will scale this app share down to be maybe about the size of an iPod. And then I will move this app share to a couple of different spots. There's one spot, there's another spot. So we can see how text is either legible or not legible in these various conditions. That's the app share, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to close down that app share, and done with that. And at this point,